Hello children, hope you all are fine. In today's class, we will learn how to check the multiplication fact is correct or not. My dear students, you all know when we multiply two factors, we get the product. Look at sum number 1. Here, 37 and 56 are the two factors of the product 2072. We will check that our answer 2072 is correct or not. How we will check? We will divide 2072 twice. At first by 37 and then by 56. And if we get the quotients 56 and 37 respectively, then the sum or the statement is said to be correct. Let us start. 2072, this is the product and the first factor is 37. Now 20 is smaller than 37, so we will take 7. Now the number is 207. Now 3 goes how many times within 20? 3 6 are 18. So at first we will multiply 37 by 6. 6 7s are 42, 2, 4 you carry. 6 3s are 18 plus 4, 22. But you see children, 222 is greater than 207. So we will multiply 37 by 5. 5 7s are 35, 5, 3 you carry, 5 3s are 15 plus 3, 18. So at first 37 5s are 185. 7 minus 5, 2. 0 is smaller than 8. So at first you write 1 here. Now the number is 1010. 10 is greater than 8. After 8, 9, 10. 1 we have taken extra, make it less. 2 minus 1, 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. Now we will bring down these two. As 22 is smaller than 37, now the number is 222. Now 37 multiplied by 6 gives 222. Write here 222. Now if we subtract 222 from 222, we will get 0. So I have written cross here. Now we will divide 2072 by another factor, that is 56. So 56, 5 you take. 5 4s are 20. So at first we will multiply 56 by 4. 4 6 are 24, 4. 2 you carry. 4 5s are 20 plus 2, 22. But you see 224 is greater than 207. So we will multiply 56 by 3. 3 6 are 18, 8. 1 you carry. 3 5s are 15 plus 1, 16. Now we will write here 168. Now we will subtract 168 from 207. 7 is smaller than 8. So write 1 in front of 7. Now the number is 1717. That is greater than 8. So after 8, 9 comes. 9 to 17 count. And we will get 9 here. 1 we have taken extra. 0 is smaller than 6. So at first we will write 1 here. 1 0 10. From 10 we will subtract this one. 10 minus 1 is 9. After 6, 7, 8, 9, 3. And 1 we have taken extra here. 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. Now we will bring down these two. Already, then we will multiply 56 by 7. 5 7s are 35. So 7 6 are 42. 2 4 you carry. 7 5s are 35 plus 4, 39. 392. So 392 subtracted from 392, we get 0. So we will write cross here. That means our answer is correct. So if we multiply 37 and 56, we get 2072. This is correct. Now we will go to sum number 2. In the same way, we will check that 89 multiplied by 54 gives 4806 or not. It is correct or not. At first we will divide 4806 by 89. 8 6 are 48. So we will multiply by 5, because you know children, 6 9s are 54, 4. If we carry 4 here, 6 8s are 48 plus 4, 52. 52 is greater than 48. So we will multiply 89 by 5 at first. 5 9s are 45, 5. 4 you carry. 5 8s are 40 plus 4, 44. Now we will write here 445. Now subtract 444 from 480. 0 is smaller than 5. Take 1 here. Now it is 1 0 10. Now after 5, 6 comes. 6 to 10 count. You will get 5. 1 we have taken extra. Now less it from 8. 8 minus 1 is 7. After 4, which number comes? 5. 5 to 7 count. 5, 6, 7. That is 3. 4 minus 4 is 0. Now we will bring down this 6. Now the number is 356. 8 4s are 32. So we will multiply 89 by 4. 4 9s are 36, 6. 3 you carry. 4 8s are 32 plus 3, 35. Now we will write 356 here. 356 subtracted from 356 gives 0. So we will write cross here. Now we will divide 4806 by another factor, that is 54. 54. Now 5 8s are 40. So at first, then 5 9s are 45. So we will multiply for 54 by 9. 9 4s are 36, 6. 3 you carry. 5 9s are 45 plus 3, 48. But you see children, 486 is greater than 480. So we will multiply 54 by 8. 8 4s are 32, 2. 3 you carry. 8 5s are 40 plus 3, 43. 432 we will write here. 0 is smaller than 2. So write 1 here. After 2, start counting 3 to 10. We will get 8. 1 we have taken extra. 8 minus 1 is 7. After 3, 4 comes. 4 to 7 count. 4 5 6 7 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. So we will bring down this 6. Now the number we get, that is 486. Already we have multiplied 54 by 9 and we got the product 486. That we will write here and subtract 486 from this 486. We will get 0. So I have put cross here. Now you see children, when we divide 4806 by 89, we got the answer 54. And when we divide 4806 by 54, we got the answer 89. That means this answer is correct. If we multiply 89 and 54, we get the answer 4806. Today up to this children, you will get your homework in the PDF. Thank you children.